Question 7 is 3 marks. It's a tricky one, but let's do it. The question says change a speed of 50x meters per second to a speed in kilometers per hour. You can pause and try it yourself. So it's meters per second, and we want to make it kilometers per hour. How do you change the meters into kilometers? You divide by 1,000, so it's 1 divided by 1,000. And how do you change the seconds into hours? You divide by 60 to make it minutes, and then you divide by 60 to change the minutes into hours. So what we want to do is we want to do 1 over 1,000 divided by 1 over 60 times 60. So we'll do keep, change, flip. Let's just zoom in. Keep the first part, keep 1 over 1,000. Change this division into multiplication. Flip this part here. So it's going to be 60 times 60, which is 3,600 divided by 1. That's equals. These two zeros cancel these two zeros. So it's just 36 divided by 10. This is the factor which you multiply with, so it's 3.6. Now once you get this, go back and bring the speed. The speed is 50, so you'll multiply this by that number. So it's going to be 50x times 3.6. 50 times 3.6 is 180, so it's going to be 180x. And that's your answer. That's your 3 marks for this question. Let's go to the next question. Question 8. Question 8 is 5 marks. To do this